What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be putting the new wheels on my car. I've had them for probably like 2 weeks now. I can't wait. I've been waiting. The weather's been bad. Finally got a sunny day, so we're going to put them on. Alright, I finally got it out. And I'm going to give y'all one more last look at what it looks like now with these wheels. These are just 72 straight spokes with the 3-way knockoff. My new wheels don't have the 3-way knockoff, so I'm kind of gonna miss that a little bit, but I'm gonna miss this look. But hopefully it's gonna look better with my new wheels. Alright, here's my new wheels. 72 spoke cross lace, center gold. They kind of look all gold in the camera. I don't know if you can maybe. Shout out to Mark from Dallas Lowriders. He hooked it up with the wheels and the tires, and Moonshadow mounting it up. I got the Remington 155 8013s now. But what y'all think? I think it's gonna look sick. Let's get started. Alright, so I got the old wheels off and I got the new wheels on, but I want to go wash the blue off the white wall before I show y'all, so just give me a minute.
2 moments later.
Alright guys, here it is. I didn't have the right stuff to scrub the white walls, but I got most of the blue off. What y'all think? I think this is my favorite setup I've had so far. This is my 4th set of 13x7s. My first set were actually the same like these 72 cross, but they were all chrome. My second set were the Hunter spoke, Zenith style. Those are triple gold, which the nipples are gold, the hub are gold, and the knockoff was gold. And then my third style are the ones I just took off, which are 72 straight. And these are my 4th. And I think these are my favorite. I think I need to get a little bit more gold now. You can see I feel like it makes my bumper guard stick out a little bit more. What y'all think? Yeah, I like it. I really don't know what other wheel setup besides going Dayton's. Do y'all think I should add some more gold or leave it like that? Let me let it down. Oh yeah. I love them. I think I still want to put the 3-way knockoff on these, but these right here will do for now. But that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more. I know I have some parts coming in for this one, and then the wheels hopefully will come in for the mini truck. If not, then we'll put those 13s on it for now. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.